Siyabonga kakhulu. Indaba ethi wena khunja wekhala qena. Indaba ethi wena khunja ake bezwe izwi lakho. Ake bezwe izwi kwa sweet. Angukholova. Uphu
Hayi khona Wesley, khona. Khona Wesley. Ngizokhala uphinde ngiyibekele lokwesibili kona. Okwesibili. Ngani zakwethu ngizothanda ukuthi ngikhulume ngesingisi ngoba njengoba nishilo khona abantu baseBotswana laba kubukubi. Kapa le batla ke Lesotho. Tlolisona ke qale ka lona pele. Ke rata o leboga ka gore le tlile Botswana la tlatsile ka ofela la tlo celebrate le nna bophelo ba ka. Lo ke fitlhile ka big brother la support o fitlhela mona jwale ke kopa gore le ba shapeleng matsogo. Le rata ka pelo ka ofela ka boka moka. Bakwethu ayimlangazi ngithini ngempela amazwi wami angisena amazwi okubonga ugcwele emfeke uthe phama e-stadium ngenxa nje kaSweet Guluva. So I would love to firstly to thank my family for raising someone like me, and also I would like to thank Inquthu for raising someone like me also, because it's not only my family who raised a boy. I need to, when you go to some places or certain places, they give you advice and then you build yourself towards whatever point you want to be. So I would like to thank everyone. But I would like to thank everyone and for your attendance and everything. Guys, even there's someone like Inquthu ufuna ukwenza okuthile, ngicela naye ukuthi simsupport, siqhubeke naye njalo sibambane izandla and go forward from here to infinity or to the galaxy, wherever. So I'm just showing my gratitude. I'm very much grateful and thankful for everyone who came, even the journalists noma intatheli bazothanda indaba. Ngiyadlala kodwa I'm very much grateful and angazi ukuthi ngizothini kodwa sicela nokubonga no masipala ukuthi uwazi ukuthi basenzele umsebenzi omuhle kangaka ngoba ayikukhulu kakhulu akusinto encane ngikula kusozo kuthanda ukubonga nje ngokuhluka uba umhlonishwa ubaba Meya uShabalala nobaba Messi. Sicela nje ukubonga ukuthi basenzele into enkulu kangaka ngaphandle kwabo ibingeke sibe impumelelo. Kodwa ngithanda ukubonga na wonke ke manje umuntu ovotile ke everyone. I love you all. What a wow. You came in numbers nazothi qathatha. Nisile nalifuna no 2 million ngiyanibona. So ngiyabonga. Before ngivala ngilikhumbuza ukuthi uSweet Guluva isigebenga sikabambe kuze saphumethele utakhingula record. More taxi driver usomatekisi ogeze eshaweni. Ngani taxi lokuza no dansa ngebhishu. Wazi mano vukuliti. Lalela safike egoli noboya obumnyama bhuqe. Bashintsha abamhlophe qwa. Saze safa eHlorini kwiJakuzi. I love you all.
Velo Meya akho. Velo MEC ngayo Meya. Simbamba kanjani?
Isebenza lawa.
Sanibonani 40. Niyaphila. Ngisajabule Inquthu. Amakhansela aseNquthu onke ehlangene nemanagement yaseNquthu athe sifisa ukuthi endlini yakho ubekele isithombe bese ukhumbula ukuthi Inquthu ubuholi bakhona bubambisene nomeya, sibambisene no MEC wethu kwa Arts and Culture, usikhumbule ukuthi siyakuthanda, yingakho sifisa ukuthi nabantu basenquthu esibathandayo sibe sonke la. Ilokhu nje ke esithi asikuphe khona. Ngiyathokoza.
Cela simuphe ihlombe. Okay, angithi siyazi ukuthi akhona ubefunde casino. Kuthiwa ke la Sweet Guluva, from Ngutu to the world. Ngutu local municipality wishes to congratulate you on your achievement in taking Ngutu to the world. Congratulations. Study casino. We cannot do without casino because you're a pruna usweet Guluva.